Hello, my name is Sue Rigby. I am a Quantum Touch instructor, and I would like to share with you what you will learn on the Level 2 Becoming Supercharged workshop. This workshop was created by Richard Gordon, the founder of Quantum Touch, and Mary Dare, a Native American elder. There's a theme that runs through this workshop of connection, of communication and wholeness. It's a thread throughout the whole workshop. The workshop is experiential, it's fun, and you have lots of opportunity to practice with your fellow students. You begin by reconnecting with the principles of the Level 1 workshop. This gives you the foundation that you need to move through the Becoming Supercharged with ease. The first thing that you learn in this workshop is how to offer the energy in a more focused way, in a way that means you communicate with the body, with the tissue, or maybe an issue that is being experienced in the body. And it's a very deep communication. When you've established that communication, it means that you can adapt how you offer the energy, because we're always working with the inner healer. The inner healer knows exactly what's needed and where, and by communicating with the inner healer and changing how we offer the energy, the inner healer can use the energy in the way that's best for the body. Always, you are healing yourself. That's what happens. The inner healer is healing you. It's not us that heal you. In the Level 1 workshop, you will have learnt about the chakras and really learnt about their purposes, what they do, and how they work. In the Becoming Supercharged workshop, you learn how to connect with them on a deeper level, really supercharging that connection and working with a channel in the body. This channel in our bodies acts as a conduit for life force energy. And by connecting with the chakras and working with this channel, we can really amplify the life force energy and the resonance of the way that we're working. When we do this, it means that we really massively increase our vibration, and it raises huge potential for healing. It gives us limitless possibilities. When you've learned how to amplify the energy to these high levels, you will be able to learn shortcuts to make this much quicker, much easier. A key part of the Becoming Supercharged workshop is the energetic blueprint for well-being. This is a group of 12 colours that each have specific purposes. These purposes can be physical, they can be mental, emotional, and there are intuitive links there too. You may find that your intuition is enhanced when you attend this workshop. These colours are very rich, they're vivid and vibrant when we are in optimum health, when we are fit and really enjoying life, really enjoying everything that is to offer in our lives. But when we are depleted in some way, when we're not functioning really well, then these colours fade and become depleted, and each colour affects the other. So by depleting our colours, we're depleting our own energy. You will learn how to work with these colours in a number of different ways to really enhance your own well-being. We know that when you receive a quantum touch healing, that healing continues long after the session has finished. It might last for a few more hours, a day, a couple of days. You will learn how to extend that healing using a support that you can create from the energetic blueprint for well-being, really enhancing healing until that support is no longer needed. Because we'll learn what these colours are and their functions, it means that you can tailor the way that you approach healing, that you can tailor healing on a physical level, by choosing the right colours, by offering mental well-being support by choosing the colours appropriate for that. And emotional healing comes into it too. So it's a really key part of the workshop, and it is your energetic barometer for well-being. You will learn how to support not just your own well-being, but other people's too. And following that, you will learn about the Primary Universal Cellular Pattern. This is a pattern that brings unity, wholeness, connection, and oneness. And that's part of the theme that runs through this workshop. Within the pattern are colours that come from the energetic blueprint for well-being. This means that you can combine the two to work really effectively with a whole range of different issues. It opens up immense possibilities for you. Once you have learnt these two things, the energetic blueprint for well-being and the primary universal cellular pattern, you work with these throughout the remainder of the workshop. We have issues that we experience, more so perhaps as we age, and digestive issues are a common concern for many people. They can be brought about by physical issues or intolerances. There can be issues to do with weight, whether we are overweight or underweight. And these are all really emotional issues for people to cope with. So you will learn how to work with the digestion, first of all, on an emotional level, and then how to offer support on a physical level. In the Level 1 workshop, you will have learnt about manifesting. We all have things that we want in our lives. You'll learn new ways to enhance these manifestation techniques, to bring those desires into your energetic field, into your physical body, to bring them so much closer to realization. And you will support each other in all of this. Longevity is a concern as we age. We want to live healthier lives, but not just healthier lives for longer. This technique, it's really a gift to yourself when you attend this workshop. We have a memory of when we feel really great. It might have been when we were 16, in our 20s, but there are times in all our lives where everything felt perfect. So you will learn how to revitalize yourself, re-energize yourself, and take yourself back towards those times when you felt magnificent. There are times in our lives where we have questions. Should I do this? Should I do that? What's the right thing to do? You will learn how to connect to universal wisdom, and you will receive an answer. You always receive an answer. It's not always in the way that you expect, and it's not always immediate. I had one student who received an answer in the form of an image in her mind of cartoon characters offering healing in a certain way. The answer that you get could be sarcastic, ironic. These things are all different. So you might ask your question and your inner healer, the universal wisdom, and come to you and say, I've already given you the answer to that, you know. And so these are things that people have experienced when trying this technique out for the very first time. We end the workshop by connecting to universal love. It is the essence of who we are. It is the essence of quantum touch. It's the essence of everything. And it's a beautiful way to bring the workshop to a close. I hope that you feel inspired to find out more about becoming supercharged, because this workshop really does live up to its name. You do become supercharged. It's a gift to yourself, supercharging every aspect of your lives. So thank you very much for listening.